Welcome to Best Choice. The best Osmo Math Wizard Dragons is probably one of the most engaging and effective ways for young learners to dive into the exciting world of math, transforming abstract concepts into tangible, interactive adventures that capture children's imaginations and foster a genuine love for numbers and problem-solving through a magical dragon-themed experience. Number 5. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. Experience the magic of learning with Osmo. Our award-winning games bring physical pieces to life on your iPad, making education fun and engaging without needing Wi-Fi. Explore a world of learning with 5 distinct games. From solving puzzles and mastering math to drawing and spelling, there's an adventure for every curious mind. Watch as it reacts to every move you make. It's designed to foster visual problem-solving, creativity, and critical thinking in a stress-free environment. Perfect for ages 6 to 10 and beyond, these games adapt to your child's skill level. It provides real-time feedback, encouraging experimentation and a love for learning. This kit includes the Osmo base, reflector, and all the game pieces for Tangram, Numbers, Words, Newton, and Masterpiece. Just add your compatible iPad and let the learning begin. It works with most iPads, excluding older models. Plus, with new ownership, you can expect continued updates and excellent customer service for all 5 educational apps. What we like? This kit offers a wide range of learning experiences covering math, spelling, and creativity. If you are looking for a comprehensive educational tool that engages children with physical pieces interacting with a screen, this is a great choice. It's ideal for parents who want a single package to cover multiple learning areas for their 6 to 10-year-olds. What people say. Numbers, a great game for math skills. There's a whole lot of basic math work, adding, subtracting, and when it got to multiplying and the numbers got a little higher, we had to stop. Tangram, this one is a winner. My kid had so much fun playing this game, it's almost her favorite. It comes with the tandem pieces in different shapes and colors and you have to put them together to create a figure. The app will help and guide you all the way, which is so fun and helpful. It immediately identifies the game pieces and creates a corresponding image on her tablet screen. Number 4. Osmo Pizza Company. Educational game. Great news! Osmo is under new ownership as of 2026, and this game includes full access to the educational app and customer service. Experience the magic of learning with fun, award-winning games. Watch your child's physical game pieces come to life on their iPad or Fire tablet. No Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. Learn to make pizzas for customers, handle payments, and understand business profitability. This game teaches essential math and communication skills. Develop real-world business math, money management, and critical thinking skills. It also enhances social interaction and problem-solving abilities. This game adapts to your child's learning level, from beginner to expert. Real-time feedback allows for stress-free experimentation and learning. Inside the box, you'll find pizza and topping pieces, money tiles, and a storage solution for all the game components, along with the Pizza Company app. What we like? This game brings the world of business and finance to life for kids. If your child is interested in running their own business, making change, or understanding profitability, this is the perfect fit. It's excellent for developing practical math skills and communication in a fun, engaging scenario for ages 5 to 12. What people say? It has the perfect combination of fun and learning, without even realizing he's learning. You can set the mode to only make pizzas, or to make pizzas along with having to give customers change. Then, you can control whether you want to use coins or just dollars, and if you are using coins, which coins you want to be included in the change. There's also a competitive aspect to it because there are goals to meet, like making so much money at your pizza shop, making a certain number of customers happy, etc. Number 3. Osmo Detective Agency STEM Toy. Get ready to solve mysteries from around the world. This game brings geography, history, and culture to life right on your tablet. Watch as your real-life actions magically interact with the game. It's a fun and award-winning way for kids to learn and play. Use your magnifying glass to find landmarks and learn fascinating trivia. You'll explore different cultures and become a geography expert. This game sharpens critical thinking, observation, and listening skills. It encourages experimentation in a stress-free learning environment. Perfect for ages 5-12+, it adapts to different skill levels. It's designed to keep children engaged and foster a love for learning. Your kit includes everything you need to start solving mysteries: maps, a map holder, a magnifying glass, and the detective agency app. What we like? Embark on a global adventure to solve mysteries and learn about the world. If your child loves puzzles, geography, and history, this game will captivate them. It's ideal for young detectives aged 5 to 12 who enjoy exploring different cultures and landmarks through interactive play. What people say. The modules are educational but are so well done that children don't realize they are using math, logic, organizational skills, creativity, etc. The story is so visualizing and simple to understand. The detective agency game is a must-get as it encourages you to think outside the box and search for missing kitten or items. You are constantly exploring. The main aspect of this game is it teaches you more about geography, and it does share some fun and interesting facts throughout the game, which I like. It does encourage your kid to develop focus and observation skills. Number 2. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. It's a magical way for young children to learn and play. Watch as your child's physical game pieces come to life on the Fire Tablet. This interactive experience requires no Wi-Fi for gameplay. This kit helps teach pre-reading skills, letter formation, and over 300 words. It's designed for ages 3 and up. Children can explore creativity with fun activities like costume design and storytelling. They'll develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The games are specifically designed for children aged 3 to 5, providing a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning. The kit includes everything needed to get started: an Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, sticks and rings, a play mat, and access to 4 exciting game apps. What we like? Designed specifically for the youngest learners, this kit focuses on foundational skills like pre-reading, phonics, and letter formation. If you have a preschooler aged 3 to 5 who is just starting their educational journey, this is an excellent introduction to learning through play. It encourages creativity and early literacy development. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus, it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. Would start off with the 4 games for anyone 4 and under, but great introduction to educational interactive games. My almost 4-year-old loves that it talks to her, and I love that it shows her what to do for all the games each time. Number 1. Osmo Creative Starter Kit for iPad. Introducing the Osmo Creative Starter Kit, an innovative way for your child to learn and play. It combines physical pieces with digital fun on an iPad. Experience the magic of Osmo, where physical actions are brought to life on screen. This award-winning kit offers engaging learning games without needing Wi-Fi for gameplay. Embark on adventures with 3 unique games: Monster, Newton, and Masterpiece. They encourage creative drawing, problem-solving, and early physics concepts. This kit helps children develop crucial skills like drawing, visual thinking, problem-solving, and fine motor abilities. It provides real-time feedback to aid their learning journey. Designed for children aged 5 to 10 and beyond, the games adapt to different skill levels. It fosters a love for learning through experimentation in a stress-free environment. The kit includes the Osmo base and reflector for iPad, a creative board, dry erase markers, and storage for the 3 included game apps: Monster, Newton, and Masterpiece. What we like? Unleash your child's inner artist and problem solver with this creative kit. If your child enjoys drawing and bringing their creations to life, they will love this. It's perfect for ages 5 to 10 who want to explore creative drawing, basic physics, and story-based problem solving in an interactive way. What people say. Monster game take the kids through a journey where the character Mo takes kids' help in setting up his home, doing activities, etc. Each activity involves the kids sketching something to help Mo. The Osmo Creative Starter Kit for iPad is a fantastic educational tool that combines physical play with digital learning. It's entertaining, educational, and fun. My 3 and 4-year-old can sit and play for more than an hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.